2024. What a roller coaster for the tech world. From jaw-dropping breakthroughs that reshaped industries to epic fails that made headlines for all the wrong reasons, this year had it all. But which moments stood out the most? Stick around, because today we're diving into the biggest wins and fails that rocked the tech world in 2024. Spoiler alert, some of these will make you rethink how tech shapes our future. All right, let's kick things off with the moments that made us believe we're living in a sci-fi movie. First up, the Apple Vision Pro. Apple's leap into the world of spatial computing wasn't just impressive, it was mesmerizing. Dubbed by some as the device of the decade, this mixed reality headset promised to redefine how we interact with the digital and physical worlds. Imagine collaborating on a virtual whiteboard while sitting in your actual office or watching a 3D movie in your living room with friends who are miles away. But let's be honest, the $3,499 price tag? Ouch. It's like Apple wants us to take out a mortgage for our gadgets. Still, this launch cemented Apple's place as a pioneer in spatial computing. Now, we can't talk about 2024 without mentioning AI. OpenAI stole the spotlight again with GPT-4o and Sora. Sora's ability to generate videos from text prompts has democratized content creation. Want to direct your own movie? You can, if you've got $19 a month and some imagination. But heads up, it's not perfect. Users reported glitchy scenes and, let's just say, creative interpretations of prompts. Still, it's a step toward making Hollywood-level tools available to everyone. And let's geek out for a second on quantum computing. Google's Willow chip pushed boundaries by drastically reducing errors in quantum calculations. We're talking about a tech leap that could revolutionize industries like medicine, cryptography, and even transportation. Is it just me, or is Google quietly plotting to rule the world one chip at a time? Speaking of futuristic tech, wearable AI gadgets had their moment this year. Remember Rabbit R1? The cute, voice-activated wearable assistant that stole the show at CES? Sure, the novelty wore off once people realized it's more like a glorified smartwatch. But it's proof that we're inching closer to fully integrated AI assistants. And let's not forget the moment in December when Bitcoin finally hit $100,000. It's been a long road since its pizza buying days, but 2024 cemented its place as a legitimate asset class. Now the question is, does this signal the golden age of crypto, or are we just building a shinier bubble? But hey, not everything was smooth sailing. Let's talk about the facepalms and fiascos that had us all cringing. Starting with Google Gemini. This AI was supposed to wow us with its creativity, but ended up in hot water for, well, being too creative. From Black Vikings to female popes, Gemini's image generation went viral for all the wrong reasons. Google's attempt to showcase diversity turned into a historical accuracy nightmare. They paused its people rendering feature faster than you can say, PR disaster. Then there's Boeing's Starliner. This reusable spaceship was supposed to be a major win for NASA. Instead, helium leaks and thruster failures grounded it. To make matters worse, 2 NASA astronauts got stranded on the ISS because of these setbacks. NASA played it safe, but you've got to wonder, how many chances can Boeing afford to blow before SpaceX leaves them completely in the dust? CrowdStrike also made headlines this year, and not in a good way. Their motto is, "We stop breaches," but during a bad software update, they stopped everything. Thousands of computers at airlines, hospitals, and more froze up in a catastrophic loop. Delta Airlines even sued for $500 million, calling it a global catastrophe. Imagine being responsible for that many canceled flights. Talk about turbulence, am I right? And if you're a fan of farm-to-table greens, this one's going to hurt. Vertical farming startups like Bowery promised to revolutionize agriculture. Instead, they ended up battling plant infections and sky-high costs. Bowery's bankruptcy was the nail in the coffin for the vertical farming hype, proving that sometimes tech solutions aren't as simple as they seem. So what did 2024 teach us? For one, innovation always comes with risks. Companies are pushing boundaries faster than ever, but when they stumble, the fallout can be massive. And as we saw with wearable AI and vertical farming, not every shiny idea has staying power. But here's the exciting part. The lessons learned this year are shaping what's next. In 2025, we'll likely see smarter, more ethical AI, improved quantum computing applications, and maybe just maybe, a more affordable Vision Pro. Fingers crossed. So, which moment from 2024 blew your mind? And which flop made you shake your head in disbelief? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech recaps and deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in 2025.